I'm Larry O'Brien from InfraSpeak. I'm here today at the Facilities Show at Excel London, talking to a lot of people today, following up from our recent sponsorship of the TWinFM charity boxing match and just reinforcing our commitment and presence in the UK market.
Good afternoon, my name's Mike Hannett. I'm the Head of Sales for WowNow Plant Hire. We are here at the Facilities Show to drum up some new business, meet lots of new people, and it's been a good couple of days. We work in conjunction with ThisWeekinFM, done a couple of events. We're going to be supporting the boat party very soon, but so far it's been really good. We've had great feedback on both events.
Hi, I'm Andy Lambeth. I am an account manager with SFG20. We are an online library of maintenance schedules that will tell our subscribers how, when and what they need to do to correctly maintain their assets. It's great to be working with ThisWeekinFM and it's great to be here at the show.
So hi, my name is Alex Rogers. I'm Head of Sales here at Planon. Planon is an integrated workplace management solution software, so IWMS. We are the market leader in our space. We've really enjoyed the show. It's been very busy, very productive. We had lots of lovely conversations with partners, prospects.
My name's Martin Andrioli. I'm the National Sales Manager for Systemizer. And as a company, we look after literally water management. So it's water into the building and water out of the building. Sustainability is a very key, important part to us as a business. We are about to launch a new product in June, which is the Easy Flush Evo. It's basically a new generation product that's basically got an outlet. We have the older version here. It's basically going to remove the leaky loo situation that businesses are currently having to deal with